guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you decided to stay and subscribe and like to see more and view some of my other videos. So today I'm just here to talk to you guys about my faux locks that I've installed myself, just to show you guys how I did them and which hair I use to do them. So just a little information on the hair that I use. I use the Bobbi Boss new locks, and I use the 18-inch ones, and this is how it looks. I'll do a close-up for you guys because you probably can't see it from here. So yeah, that's just how it looks, and I use 4 packs in total to do my hair. In all honesty, I really wish I had used 3 packs. My sister usually does this style, and she usually uses about three packs. The reason why I used 4 was because I saw another girl's video on here using the same hair, and she actually used 5 packs and a half. And I don't know how she did that, because for me, I love like this style, like single braids, faux locks, all of those, mainly because I love doing ponytails and big buns and whatnot, and I cannot gather all of this hair into my hand like the 4 packs that I installed. I cannot do that, so that's really annoying to me, and it's just a lot of hair, and it's summertime and it's hot, and I can't put up. So next time I do this, I'll probably go ahead and try to do it with 3 packs, because I use almost all of the 4 packs. I think in the 4th pack I had like 4 individual dreads left, so really I used 4 whole packs for my hair. 3 of the packs was in the color 1B, and 1 of them was in the color number 2. That was really random, but my sister just had like the number 2 left over from when she did her hair. So then when I went to buy my packs, I just bought 3 packs of the 1B to put along with it. They really just look the exact same. So yeah, now to get into how I did my faux locks. These are individual faux locks, so I didn't do the whole cornrow and crochet method. I actually braided, like did single braids with my own hair, and then crocheted the faux locks through the roots, and then wrapped the faux lock around my hair. I did record some of that, so I'll show those clips just so that you can see how I went about doing it. was being lazy when I first started doing my hair. So the back I did like twists. They were just like mini twists, 2-strand twists. And then I started to notice that the faux locks weren't tight enough, because like, you know, they're twists, so they can unravel easily. So when I put them through, they kind of start to hang down a little, so the back isn't as tight. So when I actually noticed that, when I was doing the front single braids, I went ahead and actually did braids. I braided the roots, and then like about 1/4 down, I continued in twists, just so the roots would be tight, and so like the faux locks wouldn't look like they're a few weeks old while I just did them. And these are actually a week old. I did the faux locks a week ago. I'm filming this now because I had school and all of that to do. But yeah, so this is like my faux locks when they are a week old. So yeah, if you have any questions about these, leave them down below. I'll be sure to answer all of the questions that you do have regarding these faux locks. This is a very nice summer hairstyle. In terms of time that it actually took me to achieve these, I would pinpoint it about like 6-7 hours. The reason why I don't have an exact time to give you guys is because I started on like a Saturday. Yeah, I started on a Saturday, and after like an hour of doing it, I had to go out, came back, did some more, went out, came back, did some more, and then went out again, came back, did some more. When I realized that it was getting really late on Saturday night, what I did was start doing the front of my hair, just so on Sunday morning I could, like, if I'm not done, I could just throw it in a ponytail and then I could finish later, which is exactly what I ended up doing. So Sunday morning, the middle of my hair was still not done. I just put it up in a ponytail because I had already did the front. I put it up in a ponytail, went to church, came back, and I had something planned that evening. So really I spent the whole day with the bun in my head, and then it wasn't until Monday morning that I actually went ahead and finished the middle of my head that was left over. So it was my first time doing faux locks. I've never done the cornrow method. This was just my first time trying it. And it was actually not that bad. It actually looks really nice. I'll be doing one of my homegirls' hair on Sunday because she likes them so much on me. So it was actually a pretty good first experience. I'm not gonna say it was bad. I think anyone, even if you're not that good at doing hair or if you're not used to doing hair, I think anyone could actually do these faux locks if they really wanted to. So yeah, like I said, if you have any questions regarding these on where I got them at my local beauty supply store here in Toronto. I'll try to link it for you guys down below because they do have a website and they do ship. I know they ship to the States. I'm not going to say they ship internationally like everywhere, but they definitely ship to the United States. So if you're there, you could definitely order them, but I doubt that you won't be able to find it in your local beauty supply store. I'm pretty sure you could find it anywhere. So definitely check. These are also available in 14 inches, but yeah, I did get the 18 and they're like under my boobs, really, so not that bad for me. I'm 5'2", so that works out. But yeah, I'm really loving these. Most of the time I rock them in a half up, half down style. I don't like them when they're all the way down. I do plan on doing like a 2-bun style with it, but this is like my go-to lay your edges down, put it in a half up, half down, and go style that I do. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.